All right, y'all. We're back in the house. I don't even know what vlog day this is, but so tonight we are attempting to make the Trader Joe's pizza. Is it too dark for y'all? Hold on. I'm gonna take this head off because I'm looking crazy and I just want to be regular. It feels like I'm not regular. Y'all, I don't know what's going on. Okay. So I think we are all ready and set up to go. We are gonna make the Trader Joe's pizza today. And I probably should have got my other stand because it's taller and it would have made more sense. Instead, I put you guys on this weird thing, but it's fine. So what we're gonna do is we have, I think I showed it to you in my last haul, but we have the pizza crust. We have two different, we have the burrata cheese, which I needed to get, so I got that. This is for Jonathan because he's gonna have his own pizza, so I got the mozzarella cheese regular. I found this at ShopRite, so this is the pepper salami hot calabrese. So I got these. That's the best we could do because Trader Joe's don't have that anymore. And then I got this pepperoni because it looks like it's hot. I don't know. Fresh mozzarella. We have garlic spread, baby arugula. And I had to make this tonight because I feel like tonight is like the not last night, but I just want to make it and just have it done. So for Jonathan's pizza, we have the pizza sauce from Don Pepino. That's what he's gonna have. I might use some of that on mine too because the Bamba sauce is supposed to be, this Bamba sauce is supposed to be hot and I don't want it to be too spicy. Then I have the hot honey. So I'm gonna move you guys closer to me over here and then we're gonna make it on the right counter next. Excuse the mess back there, but we are officially finished with I guess doing the pizza. So now we're just waiting 10 minutes and then once Siri goes off, then we will have everything we need for the pizza and I will show you guys what it looks like. So maybe we should taste test it together. What do you think? Maybe. I'm excited though. So we'll see you in a minute. Y'all can't tell me that one good. I did my thing with that one. So now we're just gonna wait for the pizza to cool down. And once it cools down, I will, this light is so bright right now. Once it cools down, I will go in and put put everything else on. Actually, I could probably put my stuff on now because I still have arugula that I have to put on. So I'm gonna give it like a good like 5 minutes to cool down. Then I'm gonna show you guys the next steps. All right, y'all. Moment of truth. Just from the looks of it, it's very not greasy. Yeah, it's very greasy, like oily. I don't know. It does have some spice to it. The honey with it is good. Seven? It's okay. Not the best, not the worst, but I'm happy I at least tried it. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna finish eating.